for all things Halloween. This is Hauntformer. Well, not this. This is Hauntformer, and welcome back to yet another unboxing video. I know Halloween's over, but that never stops me from getting more Halloween goodies for next year and the years to come. And my room's kind of Halloween, so I guess it works all year round too. Today, I have in this box the Saw puppet, the Billy puppet from Trick or Treat Studios. There were only a few left on Amazon, so I went ahead and purchased this. Next year is the 15th anniversary of the original Saw, one of my favorite horror films, and I get to unbox it for you today. So that's what we're going to be doing, and what's this? Wait a minute. They don't want us to cut through the box. They want us to cut through our hands. Nah, I'm just gonna cut through the box, and honestly, just use scissors, it's probably safer. Alright, let's do this. I've been waiting to get this puppet for a while. I saw it at the HauntCon or Halloween Party Expo back in January, and they had it displayed at the Trick or Treat Studios booth on a little trike, and I thought it looked awesome, so this is it. Ooh, and it's a big puppet too, so I'm gonna make sure that you guys can see it on camera. Can you pick that up? There it is. It's got a little thing and a little promo code I can use. That's really sweet. You can see his little rosy red little shoes, little Dorothy shoes, sticking out of the box here. And he is really big. It's got a lot of peanuts. I'm not gonna eat them, but you can. Well, no, don't eat them. I didn't say that. Okay, here he is. And he's kind of folded up, but let's take him out of the bag. I don't want to get him all ruined or anything, but I hope I got a good copy. It looks like I did. That's really good. I should probably just cut this. Just gonna cut that garbage bag right off of him. Wow, this is a big puppet. That is so awesome. Do you guys see this? Take a look at that. Billy from Saw. And he looks a little small, but once you really get him, you know, all full, he is really big. And he comes with the officially licensed tags. Wow, Trick or Treat Studios, you did an awesome job. His hair looks great. The face is super creepy. He has all of the details, all of the suit and everything put into him. Wow, and he is a squishy foam, but he's not super squishy. He's a hard foam, which is really nice. And he's posable. This is a great treat. You're going to see more videos of him on my channel, so if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, and I'll put a link to where you can get your very own Billy Saw puppet in the description. There's only a few left, so get them now, especially before Christmas. Thank you for watching this unboxing, and remember, as always, for all things Halloween and Saw, this is Hauntformer.